Happy tidings, everyone! It's time to hang the holly, brew some fresh cocoa, and take some festive holiday portraits. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. This festive time of year means we're all sending out holiday cards to our friends and family. Why not spice up your card this year and send them a shot like this? This wintry, bokeh-heavy style is super stunning and pretty easy to set up. But before we get going, all I'm asking for Santa for Christmas this year is for a few extra likes and subscribe to my channel. It's always appreciated and lets me know to keep content like this heading your way in the new year. Now, on to the shoot. Head to your local store and pick up some Christmas lights. I went with a variety of styles, mixing up bulb size and color. This next step is pretty fun. There's no exact photo science going on here, just take a bunch of studio stands and start to hang up your lights. Mix it up. Have some lights super close to your subject and some further away. I also had the idea to string up one pair of lights on my telescoping C-stand. This way, I can move the lights up and down and get them directly behind my model. Speaking of which, our model for this shoot was my friend Alexys. She's a super talented actor here in Atlanta. I'll be sure to link all of her information below, so please go check out some of her work. Alright, here's the breakdown for the lighting setup I created for this portrait. Super simple. Alexys was lit by a Canon 430 Speedlite with a 26-inch octabox. This light was feathered and placed down at a 45-degree angle towards her. For fill, I placed a white V-flat on the other side of Alexys as well as a silver reflector underneath. Our Christmas lights were all directly behind her, filling up the background of our frame. And now for our settings. For those super big bokeh orbs, we'll have to shoot extremely wide open. That's why I went with a Canon 85mm and shot at f2.2. For my camera, I shot on a Canon 5D Mark IV, shutter speed 1/25, ISO 640. Play around with some props as well. Maybe have your model hold a mug or try on a Santa hat. This will help give a festive holiday vibe to these shots. Here's one of our shots directly out of the camera. I love this, but I really wanted some bokeh lights in the foreground of the shot as well. You can try to dangle lights directly in front of your model, but this can be hard to control the placement and exposure of these lights. So I came up with a cool way to achieve this effect in Photoshop. During my session, I had Alexys step out and I snapped a shot of our lights extremely out of focus. In Camera Raw, I adjusted the contrast, blacks and whites to get the background as dark as possible before bringing it into Photoshop. Now, with your bokeh layer in Photoshop, make a copy of your background layer and bring it to the top. Create a clipping mask and attach the duplicate layer to your bokeh underneath. On our top layer, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and blur the image till the background is completely out of focus. Now, change the blending mode from normal to color. And change the blending mode of your bokeh layer to screen. Now the black pixels will disappear and the bright pixels will remain. I added a color balance adjustment layer to get our new bokeh to a warmer tone. And finally, you can use the levels adjustment to control the intensity of your bokeh. I grouped all of these layers into a new folder and created a layer mask so I could go in and paint out any of the distracting bokeh that got a little too close to her face. And that's it. We went from this to this. Here's a few final images from our shoot. Please don't forget to give this video a like, and for more content like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and from me to you, I wish you all a very joyful holiday season and a happy new year.